Hey guys, today I'm at Bunker 31 playing some Airsoft with my mates Hayden and Christian. Now this is Bunker 31 in Aberdeen. If some of you guys have been there, it consists of about 5-6 maps, I'm not exactly sure. In this whole video I go for about 5 of them, including tempo. My favourite was the trenches, where I get a pretty cool kill. I'll show you that later. So this is at the start where I've just been put into the match. I've got my yellow band. I know that my mates are on this team, but I have no idea where they are, so I'm scatting around looking for them, trying to see if I can spot them out. At this point I'm having problems with my holster, making sure it's staying attached to my belt. This problem progresses all the way through the match to, at one point, completely falling off my belt. I spot my friends up ahead and try and find a way to advance up without getting shot because it is under heavy fire.
Hey Hayden. What the fuck? Oh shit, my pistol! Oh, it's Alexander! Yeah, it's Alexander.
Spawn point moves to there, so it's really important that you get there.
Christy, I'll go with you if you want to go get it.
Yeah.
At this point we decide to push up to capture the crates that will lead to our team winning that round. Unfortunately, my camera gets knocked down by the tree and gets stuck in this point of perspective for the rest of the match.
Can you carry your gun?
You have one guy up there, what's that?
Can you carry your gun while you carry the crate, yeah?
So long as you have 2 people, 1 person on each handle, you're good.
Okay.
I can shove this on my back and I'll carry it with you.
Since this is our first time on the field, we're having a few problems sighting in our scopes. You can probably tell this is our first times because of our bright orange guns.
Nice one.
In the second part of the game, I decided to regroup with my teammates and engage the objective.
We're going to cross your barrel out, Johnny.
Oh my fucking... my fucking holster.
Sorry, I was just laughing.
Alright, sorry, I thought you said something. Right, hold on.
While Christian pushes up, I decide to fix my holster. After faffing around my holster for a solid 5 minutes, Christian gets killed. So I decide to push up and try and capture the objective. At this point in the game, the ref declares the 2-minute mark until the game ends. So I decide to push up. Just as the game ends. On the way back to the safe zone, my holster falls off again, so I decide to just carry it to the safe zone where I can fix it and secure it better. If you're wondering what loadouts me and my mates are using, I'm using an L96 made by Double Eagle. Hayden is using M50Z by Double Eagle as well, I'm pretty sure, and Christian is using G36, I'm not exactly sure which brand. He's also got the dual mag attachment, but he also gets grips of some extra magazines where later in the game he manages to make a octo mag, I think. I can't remember exactly how many magazines he attaches, but it's pretty cool. This is Bunker 31 safe zone. All guns must be covered, apart from sniper rifles. The facilities they have at Bunker 31 are very cool. You can buy grenades, pyrotechnics, BBs. The staff there are also really cool. Refs are good game hosters, they know what they're doing.
Are you sure about that?
Safety off.
After a group photo, we move on to the next match based on the trench map. Since we were new to this site, we did not know that snipers were not allowed, so we were required to leave our weapons at the start of the trench, not allowed to take them into the close range battle area. It's okay though, because me and Hayden both had pistol sidearms, which proved on to be very effective later in the game. Since it was snowing the previous day, the ground in the trenches is really muddy and soaking, making it pretty difficult to manoeuvre.
Oh my lord!
At this point in the match, people started piling up on that cover up ahead when the enemies were tunneling down the middle.
Look through the holes. Is it cheating to look through the hole?
No.
Guy knows we're here. Guy right there. About to hit the flag. There's a guy about to run for that flag. Got him.
Huh?
Yeah. Go have to reload.
After pushing up to this cover, I managed to get a kill from someone trying to charge the flag.
Oh, that's hitting this plank. They're trying to suppress. Oh yep, they're trying to shoot through that gap. Ref, are we allowed to jump this?
No.
Alright.
Nice try, boys! Good guy!
This is the most useful place we are with this.
No, I'm out of gas.
Oh shit, dude.
I know.
After retreating from the corner cover, I decide to make my way up to the centre of the map. This is where the flag is based and we need to capture it, so I push up in an attempt to try and capture it. The enemy team is pushing up from both sides at the moment. And as you can hear, they're suppressing me down quite well. As you can see, my pistol is having some feeding issues as well. After holding off in the centre field for quite a while, I get picked off by one of the AAG players. Using an AAG is way more effective in the trenches, and I'll definitely need to bring one in the next game. In this game mode, a cool guy called Elliot let me borrow his pistol so I can go dual pistols. That was awesome. Big thanks to him if he is watching this video. I know he's a regular at the bunker. But in this game mode we were split into a third team against the two other outstanding teams. We had to hold the centre point, and when we got killed we go back to our normal teams. As you can see, we're all mixed, different bands. Cool little game mode. The ref made it up on the spot, I think, but it was fun nevertheless. After our team strategically placed ourselves around the centre point, some at corners and some behind these covers next to the entry points, we defended with close range weapons. Here you could see I'm trying to figure out the safety on Elliot's pistol.
That's how you do it.
After I see Elliot get killed from behind cover, I decide to move up and try and take them out with the pistol that Elliot let me borrow.
Dead man, coming up.
Dead man.
3 left in the middle. 3 left. One left in the middle, guys. 1 left.
After taking out some of the guys behind that cover, I get flanked by the enemy from behind. I was the last guy in my team, so our team is officially lost now. This part of the game was again in trenches. This was the last game mode we played. Another one made up by the referee, where all the noobs got put into one team and had 16 or maybe 15 respawns, and the rest of the group got put in their own team and had to defeat them with only one respawn. This meant that we had to play very strategically and make sure we didn't die, or else we'd be out of the game for the rest of the match.
Oh!
That's nice.
No kills.
No kills, alright, we're clear. I'm gonna move up there.
Okay, I'm covering you. Go, 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 go. Okay, cover me. There is someone.
Enemy that way.
Their team is getting pelted with our team's pyrotechnics, smokes and flashbangs. Under cover of these explosions, I'd side push up and see if I can flank round the side. I managed to pick off one of their team up in the corner cover, but unfortunately I've ran out of ammo, so I need to reload quickly.
Oh shit! Oh, it's a smoke.
After killing 3 of their guys, I decided to pull back because it is illegal for us to push up into their spawn. The guy that I actually shot on the side of the ear, I catched up with at the side of the match to apologise. After getting those 3 kills, I actually got shot on my way back by a friendly that didn't notice I pushed up so far. Alright, that's all for today guys, but if you liked this video or you want to see more videos from this site or some more airsoft sites that me and my mates visit, hit the like, hit a subscribe, and I'll post some more videos up for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next.